Um, Hello everyone. We are Tiago and he's Luis, and we are presenting Athos, which is a matrix-based shopping assistant. We use technology by Matrix, by TADHack, and the data provided by Carrefour to build this assistant. And well, Matrix is this is my first presentation, so bear with me. It's a decentralized open source chat. It's got pretty strong encryption end to end. Well, it supports end-to-end encryption. It's optional, and it supports multiple platforms. It can be used through the browser. It can be used with native apps. It can be used with programmatical support. So we can write bots for it. We can write applications that take user input and reply to it, and that work with group chats and with private chats. And as I said, yeah, it's easily expandable, so we can take it and build whatever we want with it. Carrefour provided us this database with purchase data for 2 stores for a pretty big time interval, so we've got a lot of tickets. It's quite limited data. We've got the short name for each product. We've got the price and the amount purchased, and we've also got the date for the purchase and a client ID if it's provided. If it's not, I believe it's when the client has purchased with a customer card, so he gets his purchase connected to his customer ID. So we thought we would build a platform where we could search for products within the database. We could search for the popularity of each product, and also the contact info for stores. We used the Carrefour website for that. We hacked together it's not an API. it's a bit hacked together, but it works. So I'm gonna demonstrate the way we connected. So we built a matrix. It's this one. We built a matrix bot that can be joined in any sort of room, or it can work in a private chat like this. And we send commands to it, and it replies to us with whatever we asked. So right now we asked for the cheapest wine. We asked in Spanish because apparently the stores are in Spain, so the products are in Spanish. So we're just searching for the cheapest wine. Everyone wants to know that. So we got 5 results, and we searched for expensive cheese. So we've got a list of 5 cheeses that were in the database. We can also search for an interval of prices. So we searched for rags between 3 and 5 euros, and as I said, we can also analyze the popularity of things. We can also search for store contact info. So in here, we search for the Spanish Carrefour info. So we've got the link for the websites, and well, for other countries, they provide the customer service links. And we can also search for popularity. So we took all the data, we analyzed the frequency of each purchase, and in this case, the most purchased cheese is this one. We can also search for popular wine, for instance, and we get another list, which is usually populated by the lowest priced ones, as we noticed. It's taking a while because people in Spain apparently buy a lot of wine. So here we go. So yeah, this is our the way we implemented this bot. It's pretty simple, but it's a proof of concept that we built with the limited information we had. Of course, if we had a full database with the product images and reviews, we could have implemented in here. We could add a lot more info if it was provided. So then we took this and we thought, well, we thought, well, Telestack's provided us with RESTCOM, which is a SMS and also voice and MMS, but we used SMS API. It's a RESTful API, so it's pretty simple to implement stuff with it. Just need to send it request. It sends the SMS. Someone sends it an SMS, and we receive an HTTP request with the SMS content and who sent it. So we decided we would join them together. So if you saw the Matrix presentation, you learned about bridges, which are ways to connect a service like RESTCOM or like WhatsApp or whatever with the Matrix environment, and it works in a sort of seamless way, so you can't distinguish between a Matrix user and a bridged user, which was also being used for the TADHack Matrix room, which was connected to Slack. So it has zero code connection to existing services. That means that we can connect RESTCOM to Matrix. We built our bots using Matrix, and it works for cell phone users, browser users, and SMS. So we're going to demonstrate it. So we made a bridge between RESTCOM, SMS, and Matrix. So as you can see in here, we've got a room where we've got me, and we've got Athos, which is our bot, and we've got a virtual user, which is called RESTCOM _ and a phone number, which is a Portuguese phone number, which is my number. So if we send it using, here's my phone. If we send it a command, it will immediately send it, and then, well, yeah, there we go. It sent the command to the bot. For some reason, I think Matrix froze because they're talking inside this room, but for some reason they're not. Yeah. So there seems to be some lag issues with Matrix right now. Yeah, we've got a help command. So what's happening here is Matrix. This Matrix room has the Athos bot, and it has the SMS virtual user. So when we send a message to the Athos phone number, it will send a message to the Matrix room, and the bot will respond in the Matrix room, and then the virtual user will capture that response, and it will send it back to the phone. So it can be applied for many things. We can build very flexible systems with this, and we found it quite interesting because we don't need to implement this for SMS or for web or for whatever. We can make most of the logic for a generic service like Matrix, and then Matrix will work with anything we want. In this case, SMS, but it could have been anything else. We could have put it in the TADHack Slack room. So sorry. Yeah. Do you have any questions? This was our presentation. Thank you very much. There's the source code is available for everything. The SMS bridge source code is not completely ready, so it's not been committed yet, but we'll commit it later today. So yeah, you can check it out and pull request if you want. Yeah, thank you.